Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use TikTok for social media engagement. So without further ado, let us begin. So let us start off by choosing your niche. So start by identifying what you are passionate about. So this could be anything from cooking, fashion and fitness, to technology, education, or comedy. Your enthusiasm for the subject will come through in your videos, making them more engaging. So for example, if you love technology, focus on creating content around tech reviews, tutorials, or the latest gadget news. So in my account right here, I used to post TikTok videos but now I stopped. But what I post are just Reddit story videos with Minecraft in the background and some subtitles. So that could be another example for you. Next tip is that you should research your audience. So consider who your target audience is and what type of content they are interested in. So look at what is trending in your potential niche and see how you can bring a unique perspective to it. So for example, you are in the technology niche, so you can start off just by searching technology in the search bar and then see what is trending in that niche. So let's just search up technology right here. And as you can see at the top, there are a lot of videos that are popular that you could use as inspiration for your videos. Another thing that you can do is by setting up your profile and making it more appealing. So in choosing your profile picture, choose a clear and recognizable profile picture. So this could be your logo if you're a brand, or a professional photo if you're an individual creator. And then for your bio, write a concise bio that highlights who you are and what kind of content you create. So include relevant keywords to help users find you. And you can also add links to your other social media profiles and your website. So since I make Reddit videos, my profile picture is just the Reddit logo and my name and then a background. And then for my bio, I just put follow for more stories. But you could also introduce yourself and tell your viewers on what you make, and then you can ask them to follow you. So an example for a bio is that you could introduce yourself and then just tell, in a sentence or two, just tell what kind of videos you make, and then ask your viewers to follow you for daily videos or for more content. Next is when uploading videos, make sure that you guys should use hashtags. So as you can see over here, I have a sample video right here. So this is what the video is. So these kinds of videos are pretty popular on TikTok right now. And then what you can do for your hashtags is search videos similar to yours and then just look on what hashtags that they are choosing. So I found one right here. So as you can see, it has 260,000 likes, 18.8 thousand comments, and 35.9 thousand saves. So the hashtags that the user used are these. So what you can do is just copy these hashtags to your video so that it will be easier for your videos to be discovered. So let's try to add some hashtags right now. So as you can see over here, the first hashtag that the person used is hashtag viral. So let's just put in hashtag viral. So as you can see, there are 2.3 billion posts that are using this hashtag right now. Another thing you can do is just also use hashtags that are below it or have a lot of posts. So as you can see, hashtag viral video has 674 million posts, so you could also use that. So let's just use this. And then another hashtag that the person used is hashtag FYP or for you page. So let's put hashtag FYP and then there you go. So the more hashtags and more popular hashtags that you can use, the better. Moving on, if you gain enough followers and views, you could start off by engaging with your viewers. So you can engage with them by replying to their comments. So replying to their comments encourages more interaction and builds a loyal community. And then you should also start posting regularly. So consistency is key. So aim to post at least once a day or every other day to keep your audience engaged and attract new followers. So when I used to post every day before, I get a lot of views, but since I stopped, I don't get much views anymore. So consistency really is key. And then lastly, what you should do is analyze your performance. So you can see all your analytics in TikTok just by going to your profile picture right here and then just go to view analytics. And then from here, you could use this to analyze your performance so that you could monitor which videos perform best and analyze your audience demographics. So you can see over here, I have gained 76 views, 9 profile views, 1 like, 0 comments, and 0 shares. So as you can see over here, my views peaked around March 29. And as you can see, when I stopped posting, I gained less and less viewers. So it's really important to be consistent in posting videos. And then, by basing on your analytics, adjust your content strategy. So focus on the types of content that generate the most views. So if one of your content gets a lot of views, check out what you did with that video and then just make more similar videos with that. So for my niche, which is making Reddit videos, the most popular type of videos right now are scary story videos. So as you can see over here, when I post scary story Reddit videos, I get hundreds of views. But if I post something else, like a story from Ask Reddit, as you can see over here, I only got 1 view. So that is why it is really important for you to research what videos are popular around your niche so that you can get the most views as possible. So by following these steps, you can effectively use TikTok to enhance your social media engagement. So yeah, that is pretty much it.